In the previous video, we see LibreConnect, a software to transform your Arduino as WebSocket. So now we will see how to build a temperature and humidity sensor. I use the dht11, which is a cheap and easy to use temperature and humidity sensor. So I use a strip board to solder it. We only solder cable on the Arduino, so we can easily remove the temperature and humidity sensor. We have 4 pins, we'll only use 3. We need to put a resistor between the 5 volts and the data pin. So we have 3 pins to plug, one for the 5 volts or the 3.3 volts, one for the GND and one for the data pins that we will plug on the D2. So I'm soldering the resistor on data pins and on the 5 volts. I use Arduino Nano since I could have used Arduino Uno. They are more big. It will take longer to make a case. So I try to build my object as teeny as possible while using really common components and cheap components. For example, this Arduino Nano clone is only 2 euro. I think it's best to buy a lot of Arduino Nano so you are not afraid to experiment on it and to break it. For example, on AliExpress I bought 10 Arduino Nano for 20 euro. I use AWG30 cable, which is teeny and solid. I really could recommend to buy cable and not use any cable you can find, because if the cable are too big, it will be difficult to put it on a case. So here we have the ground in black, the data cable in purple, and the 5 volt cable in red. Temperature sensor module is ready. I didn't say it, but I use adhesive paste on the humidity sensor while I'm soldering, so it doesn't move. I use electrical tape also, so the adhesive paste doesn't make a mess on the sensor. So now we are going to plug the temperature sensor on our Arduino. The red on the 5 volts, the black on the ground, and the data pins on the D2. So once again I'm using electrical tape and adhesive paste. We can easily replace each component. Each of your prototype will be repairable. So the main advantage of open hardware for me is really that when I build a prototype, I know I will use it as long as I can. So here is my prototype. So don't forget to put electrical tape to isolate the circuit from the Arduino, or you will have a short circuit. So I put the Arduino in the case and then put the strip board. Beware of the cable. If you close the case, if the cable are misplaced, you can damage the cable pretty easily. So take your time when you do this. This is my main advice for this video. So yes, close the case and voila! So the end is out of focus, I know. Anyways, just show me plugging it on USB. Thanks for watching. Next time we will see how to build a web interface for this sensor. So thanks for watching and see you next time.